Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Expert Empire. In this video I'll be showing you how to cut and sew these stylish flare sleeves. So loves, this sleeve has been trending for a while now, and I just love the way it looks fitted like a basic sleeve and also like a flare at the same time. You can make it to any length of your choice and style it the way you want. It's your choice to make, so just be creative, okay? This tutorial is beginner friendly and very easy to make. So dear soulmates, say goodbye to boring sleeves as you add this to your collections. To my returning subscribers, thanks a bunch guys, and if you're seeing this channel for the first time, you are most welcome. Please click on the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. So if this looks like what you're interested in, please keep watching to the end. Now let's get started. So first we'll be drafting a basic sleeve, and I already have my fabric folded into two, and the length of the fabric I'm working with is 23 inches including seam allowance. Okay, so my basic sleeve full length is 22 inches. All right, so I'll just go ahead and mark 22 inches like this. Just watch what I'm doing. I'll mark 22 inches across like so. All right, I'll mark it here also, and then I'll just mark it at the middle so I have a straight line by the time I connect the points. Okay, so I'll just connect the points like so. All right, after that, to know how many inches you come down by to get the sleeve cap line, okay, there's a formula for that. So this is the formula for your sleeve cap line. Your bust circumference divided by 12 plus 1 inch. For instance, my bust circumference is 39 divided by 12 plus 1 inch. That gives me 4.25. So this method works perfectly for any size, okay, and it gives you a perfect fit, especially if you want your sleeve to be fitted like mine. It's not big goes all tight. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and connect that line like so. So now the next thing is my round armhole, or my arm side is 18 inches. So 18 inches divided by 2 will give me 9 inches. I'll go ahead and mark it on that line that I came down by. Okay, next I'll take measurements of my shoulder to elbow, which is 13 inches, and I'll mark it right there. Then I'll take the elbow circumference, which is 11 inches. 11 inches divided by 2 give me 5.5 inches. I'll mark it right there. And then for my wrist is 7 inches, and I would divide it by 2, that's 3.5, and I'll mark it right there. What I'll do next is to connect those points together. Okay, I'll connect the armhole to the elbow line and then to the round sleeve. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. The chalk is not really showing well, and that's because I'm working with a white fabric. Okay, so just watch what I'm doing and you understand. In case you don't know how to draft a basic sleeve, I have a separate video on this channel. You can go ahead and watch that video. Okay, what I'll do next is to place my tape rule on this line like so, and I'll be adding 1 inch to that armhole measurement for seam allowance. So that makes it 10 inches divided by 2 give me 5. I'll mark that 5 inches on that line. I'll mark that 5 inches also on this starting line. Then with my free hand, I'll just go ahead and connect the curve like so. Okay, making sure that it's coming down on that point, that 5 inches point that I marked upwards. Okay, so I'll just connect my armhole like so. After that, I'll go ahead and add the 1 inch seam allowance to the side seam of the sleeve. Okay, so I'll be adding 1 inch seam allowance all through on the side seam. Okay, I'll be adding 1 inch seam allowance all through like this. I'll just go ahead and mark the 1 inch all through, and then that is it. Our sleeve is almost ready, so it's time to cut it out. I'll go ahead and cut out the basic sleeve and then show us what it looks like. I'll not be cutting on this line that I marked here. I'll go up by ½ inch, which will serve as the seam allowance to join the sleeve to the dress. And of course, I'm cutting out both sleeves at the same time, and this part is on fold. I'll just go ahead and smoothen this part, okay, to have that curve right there. So this is our sleeve. Our basic sleeve is ready, guys. As you can see, I've notched this part and that part is on fold like I said, and this is the second sleeve. Okay, so I'll keep that aside and then show us what to do next. I've cut out the flare part of the sleeve, and to do this I placed my fabric on bias fold and then cut out the flare part. Okay, let me just open it up for you to see how it looks like. It will have a triangle shape by the time you open it up. Okay, So that is how yours should look like. Then how wide you want it to be depends on you. All right, so this is how wide I want it to be. So I'll just go ahead and fix it to the sleeve now. So this line that I marked, which is the elbow line, is where the flare is going to start from. Okay, now I'll take this to the sewing machine and stitch on the 1-inch seam allowance up to the elbow line. I'll do a reverse stitch here, then place the flare part on the basic sleeve like so, right sides facing each other, and stitch it together. I'll repeat the same thing on the other side as well. After I'm done stitching the sleeves, I'll attach it to the dress and show you what it looks like. So loves, I'm done stitching the sleeve, and as you can see, I've attached the flare part to the basic sleeve and it's looking so neat and nice. You can see how it looks, and I've attached it to the gown. Okay, I've attached it to the armhole of the gown, and this is the other sleeve. Okay, you can see how it looks. I'll just put it on for you to see how it looks like on me. So this is the sleeve, guys. It looks so beautiful and classic. I just love this sleeve. It's so beautiful. Look at me. I was just feeling the sleeve, just dancing and just trying to create different poses so that you can see how lovely the sleeve looks. So let me know in the comment section if you'll be making one for yourself. Okay, I actually made this outfit and wore it for my son's dedication in church, and it's so beautiful. If you want me to upload the video where I saw this beautiful outfits, let me know in the comment section as well. With this, we have come to the end of the tutorial, and if you find this video helpful, please give it a massive thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, and make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. You can also share this with your fellow soulmates and friends. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.